Welcome to the funniest cyberspace news and commentaries. The breaking news is coming from Copenhagen, Denmark. There are reports that Greenland meteorite may be from space. Now the scientists are working hard in order to find out whether those meteorites are coming from space or not. The government is prepared to approve more funding for the research in this area, and also messages were sent to the residents of the International Space Station to be on the lookout to see whether there are any meteorites heading to the planet Earth. If they cannot prove that meteorites are coming from the space, then we have to find out where those meteorites are coming from. Maybe they have to look into the deep ocean and see whether it is possible meteorites coming from the bottom of the ocean, jumping out and landing in Greenland. Where else? Greenland is a vast territory with a very small population. It's the best place for the meteorites to land there. We'll follow this news, and if there are some results, we'll report accordingly. In another news, the federal agents in the Midwest raid gun shop and find weapons there. What else? Weapons in a gun shop. It would be nice if they find some donuts and coffee, and this will be much easier for the gun shop owners. So from now on they have to be sure to have donuts and coffee available at any time. In another news from California, there are reports that the state population is to double by year 2040, and babies are to blame for that. Who else? The babies, of course. The mothers and fathers are just innocent bystanders, and year 2040 is too far away. We don't have to worry about it. In the financial news, the World Bank is reporting that the poor countries and people need more money. Really? Well, they are the experts. They have all the financial experts there, and they know for sure that the poor people and poor countries need more money. We are not going to question this. In the science news, it's reported that breathing oxygen is linked to staying alive. Really? We thought that breathing nitrogen only or carbon dioxide will help us in this matter, but no. Now it's proven that oxygen is linked to staying alive. People, breathe oxygen and stay alive. In another health news, the doctors and scientists discovered a miracle cure, but unfortunately the miracle cure kills already fifth patient. So they don't know what to do other than rename the miracle cure to miracle killer and be done with that. And finally, in another news, the local city council is unsure why the sewer smells. They didn't specify what kind of smell is coming from the sewer, but they're unsure why the sewer smells. That's why it's a good idea to convene a town hall meeting in order for the local population to participate in solving this question. And it'll be nice to know why the sewer smells. So these are the main news for today. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next edition of the funniest cyberspace news and commentaries. Thank you again, and have a nice and pleasant day.